I'm over here at the schoolyard, and I thought I'd go in front of the building and see what I might find. And then there's a sort of a playground on the other side of it. So I'm gonna just sort of go in front and see what I might find and then go on over. The thing is I'm in a residential area. I don't want to be beeping and bothering someone, so I'm gonna put my headphones on. So let's go detect. And thanks for watching. Looks like about 65, 66, probably a penny. Ah, here it is, right? It's on the side. And it's a modern day penny. Looks like a 78, 77, 79. And it's a dime. Looks like about 89. Really repeats itself good. Probably a quarter. Oh, there it is. It's a quarter. And it's a modern day quarter. So that's good. 89, 90, 89, 90. Looks like probably another quarter. There it is. And modern day quarter. Looks like about a 61, 62, 60, and it doesn't look very deep. So this is good. Oh, here it is laying on top of the ground. Just modern day penny. I found this, it was about 79, 80 or something. I'm not sure what it is. It's, oh, I see. It's a modern day penny, and it's got hit by, looks like maybe a lawnmower. I didn't want to record the numbers, but anyway, dug down there and sure enough it's a penny. 62, 63, 62. It varies a little bit here, but most around 62. Doesn't look very deep. Oh, that's not it. There it is. Another modern day penny, it looks like. Yeah, modern day penny. Well, it's sort of been fun. Found a few pennies and some other coins. But we've been here about an hour. And I'm sure being in the middle of the city, it's been hit quite a few times, but we're fortunate that we found a few coins. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.